In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a custom domain to your Replit project. This is an essential skill for giving your projects a professional touch by using your unique web address. We're going to make this a straightforward, step-by-step process, so even if you're new to this, you'll find it easy to follow along. Let's begin by logging into Replit. Make sure you have your username and password handy, as you'll need them to access your account. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the project that you wish to link to your custom domain. If you have multiple projects, take a moment to ensure you select the correct one, as this is key to avoiding any mix-ups later on. With your project open, locate the Publish button. This button is usually found in the menu, possibly under the File or Project tabs, depending on the interface update. Clicking this button acts as a gateway to sharing your project with the world, so it's an exciting step. When you're in the publishing section, look for the option that allows you to add a custom domain. Here, you'll see a URL box specially provided for this purpose. Go ahead and type in the domain name you've purchased. Be sure it's correctly spelled and free from typos, as even the smallest error can prevent your site from displaying properly. After entering your domain, Replit will generate a set of DNS records. These records are crucial as they act like instructions directing web traffic to your project hosted on Replit. Copy these DNS records carefully. Now here comes the technical bit, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Next, head over to the website of your domain provider. You'll need to log into your account there. Once inside, navigate to the section for managing DNS settings. This is where you'll paste the DNS records Replit provided. It might require you to search around if you're unfamiliar with the dashboard, but generally, there's a DNS settings or domain management tab that contains the area for DNS records. After adding the records, there's a little wait involved. DNS changes can take some time to propagate, meaning it can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours before they're active. Use this time to grab a coffee or work on other aspects of your project. Once some time has passed, it's time to test your domain. Open a web browser and type in your domain name to see your project live. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your project appear, now linked with your custom domain. If it doesn't, double-check your DNS settings or allow a bit more time for propagation. Congratulations, you've successfully linked a custom domain to your Replit project. Having a custom domain not only makes your project look more professional, but also makes it easier for others to find and remember your site. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.